Among other activities, this project emphasized on awareness raising and organized an interactive theater performance on DRR and waterlogging with participation from local community and students of 2 schools. To give the children an innovative platform to present disaster through their eyes, an art competition was also arranged and a collection of all the paintings were published as an art book. In addition, development of school-based disaster reduction plans and community-level risk assessment also played a key role in preparing the students and communities to tackle and recover from future disaster effectively. In addition, hundreds of students and community members took part in celebrating International Women's Day, National Disaster Preparedness Day, and International Water Day with an array of activities to raise awareness and bring attention to the relevant issues and policies. For this piloting project, HELVETAS and Uttaran adopted a holistic approach to improve the overall resilience and preparedness of the students of Machkhola and Jogipatha school as well as their surrounding communities. Now, these communities are better prepared for responding to and recovering from upcoming disasters, and the children of these 2 schools have a better chance to continue their studies uninterrupted.